Hi there, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a scorpion. So let's get started. So our scorpion is going to have the upper body portion here and the tail is going to kick out to the right and upwards. So what I'll do is I'm going to draw the beginning portion here. So we're going to draw kind of like a flat line down here. I'm going to kind of come up and it's going to be have like these two little, a small bump here. It's going to have like a bigger bump up over here like this. Okay, then the next part is we're going to start, this kind of curving up at an upward angle, and then this is going to slightly curve like that. So we'll come down off of this, and then we'll come over like this. There'll be a little bit of a bump in it, and it's going to come back. And then over here, there's going to be like these, a couple of these kind of like ridges, and then this one's going to be a tall one, and this will come down like that. Okay, so that's our main body there. Then the next thing we can do is we can keep going, so we're going to draw up in this direction here. So we'll draw a piece like this, and then this is going to echo this curve right here. So we'll kind of do this. So that'll be one. And then we'll get another one in. Like that, and each time we're going to stepping down off of that end there. And then this is going to follow it, but we're going to soften the curve a little bit. And then this one's going to go over like this. And this will keep going up. And this will be somewhat flatter like that. Okay, now let's draw one of the arms that's coming off here and hooking to the left. So we'll draw this circular, elliptical in a shape, and then we'll draw another one right here. And then we're going to draw one of the claws, the top portion of the claw. So what we'll do is we'll start down right here at the corner of the circle down here. And we'll draw this like bump, and then we'll draw another line like that pointed forward, and then this will hook back. It'll be somewhat flat. It'll come down a little bit, get a little bit wider, and then it'll have like a shape like this that comes back to this circle here. Okay, and then what we'll have, the lower section with the claw will have two pinchers, and this is the lower one and this will be thinner. So from down below here, we'll kind of hook this over like that, and then we'll come back so it's pointy at the tip. Alright, something like that. Okay, then what we can do is we can draw one of the legs. And what we'll do is from this circle, this elliptical shape here, down below here, we can draw like a backward C shape. And then we'll draw a kind of like a horizontal rectangle shape. So it's going to be bent and rounded a bit, and then this can go up at an angle because this leg is going to come down now. So we'll do a slight backward C here, and then from here we'll round it and then flatten it out at the bottom, and then you'll have a little leg that kind of points to the right, just like this little foot piece. And then what we're going to do on the other side now is draw this arm over here. So we'll come off of this shape right here. We'll come up, down, and back in. And then we'll draw another extension piece. Kind of comes upward a little bit, and then it's rounded at the top, like that. And then we'll project this one forward. So we'll start at the top, we'll come over to the left, and then we'll hook down, and then we'll go back towards that shape there. And then we can finish off this pincher over here. So we're going to draw pretty much the same shape that we did here. So we'll start over here. It's kind of pointing in the same direction. So we'll come up like this, and then this will kind of come down, get thicker, and then it'll have this like shape like that. And then we can get that pincher, that lower piece, just like this. There we go. And then we can add a couple more extension pieces to the tail. So this tail's hooking up now. So now we want it to start to curve like that. So we're going to extend this, and then we'll draw another one like this. Get another one like that, and this keeps hooking over like this. And then we can add another another leg. Go back here. So we're going to draw these three, 1, 2, 3. We're going to draw those, but a little bit longer. So we're going to start right about here. So we're going to draw this one first. So it's still horizontal, kind of like this. And it's going to extend like that. And then we're going to draw this bend here. This one will be a little bit longer and more spindly. Come down like this. Extend this way and down. And then we'll have our little foot shape. So that'll kind of come over. Just like that. And then we can draw this one here on the other side. So right about here where these two pieces connect together, we can go up like this, stop about here, come down, and then have this go like that. And then we can add 3 more pieces. So we're going to come this way, we're going to come down to the other one, and back in this way. So we're going to have one shape like this. And then we're going to do another one down in this direction. This will be rounded like that. And then this one here, we'll start down here, we'll hook down, we'll come up, and that'll kind of point and then do something like that. And at the end of this, there's going to be a little stinger, and it's going to hook to the right, just like that. Okay, just going to kind of finesse this. It's a little bit thicker down there. All right, so the next step is we'll put in the eyes. So we're going to put one right here, like that, and then we'll draw the other one right there. And then we'll draw these lines because the body kind of comes across and it's going to have a little bit more of a curve to it. So where these bulges were here, we're going to extend down, almost like taking these creases here, kind of taking those and extending those down like that. And then over here we can put some lines just like that. Up here we can maybe add a couple. There, maybe 2 here. And then let's draw in this last leg here. So it's going to have 3 on each side. So we're going to draw another one. So again, these 3 shapes, and we're going to extend this out in this direction, like that. And then this one's gonna be drawn right here, like that. And then the foot piece, do the same thing, just like that. And there you go, there's our scorpion. I'm going to marker this in with my ink pen and then color it in using some shades of brown. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm going to use my eraser, and I made a few subtle tweaks from a proportion standpoint. So I kind of moved this top leg down just a little bit and thinned it out, so you can go and just erase those unwanted pencil lines, clean up your drawing, and then we're going to marker it in. So there you go, there's our scorpion in a few simple steps, and we colored it in using some orange brownish kind of tints, and then used a Prisma pencil in black to add some extra shading to show the volume and the curvature of the surfaces. So hopefully yours turned out awesome, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below where you can see some of our upcoming tutorials. So have a good one, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!